Hi friends, welcome to Susan Recipes. Today I'm going to prepare a very simple recipe which is known as potato bharta. I'm going to prepare two types of potato bharta and show you. So the ingredients required to prepare these two types of potato bharta are: first I have taken boiled potatoes. These are boiled and peeled, and salt as per our taste. Then I'll be making the bharta in mustard oil. So I'll be using little mustard oil. Here I have chopped sliced two onions. This I am going to put for the fried bharta. I'm going to use for the fried bharta two onions sliced and three dried red chillies. And for the plain normal bharta, I'll be using, I have chopped one big onion and one green chili. If you like it spicy, you can add more green chili, and same goes for the fried bharta also. If you like it spicy, you can add more dried red chili. So now let's get started. The first step, friends, we need to do is, since I'm going to make both the bhartas with mashed potatoes, so I will mash the potato. So first step is I'll mash the potatoes. So I'll take all the potatoes and I'll mash them. I will mash it up nicely. You can use a masher also, but then still you will get some lumps. So here I have mashed the potatoes. So I am removing half of it to make the fried bharta. I'm keeping it into on a separate plate. And this one I'm going to make the kacha bharta. This is known as kacha bharta because I am using raw onion in this. So you will add the chopped onions, the green chilies. If you have coriander leaves, you can add that also. We'll add salt as per our taste. So salt as per our taste, and we will add half a teaspoon of mustard oil. And now we will mix this bharta properly. This raw mustard oil, friends, it will give a lovely flavor to this bharta. So here I have mashed it. This is my kacha bharta ready. Now I am going to prepare the fried bharta. So the procedure to prepare fried bharta is, here I have heated 1 tablespoon of mustard oil, and now I will add the sliced onions, and I will break these dried red chilies. And I will fry these onions and the red chili till our onion becomes nice and brown. Our onion and our dried red chilies, it's fried well. Now what I'm going to do, you can either take it out and let it cool down and then crush it and put it in the boiled potato, or you can just add the boiled potato, mashed potato in this. Reduce the flame, friends, or else it will get burnt. Add salt as per your taste, and then just mix it with the onion and the chili. Here friends, I have roasted my bharta nicely, and here you can see it's mixed nicely with the dried red chili and fried onions, and now as you can see it started leaving the sides, so our bharta is ready. So I'll put off the flame and transfer it to the serving bowl. So here is our two types of bhartas ready, friends. As you can see, this is the plain kacha bharta and this one is the bhuna hua aloo ka bharta. So now you can serve this with plain boiled rice. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. See you soon, friends. Bye.